farm chores. Let's go. Hi, baby girls. I'm coming. Maybe I need a little sugar. Hi, Toby. Hi, girls. Sorry. Togi. What's up, buddy? How are you doing today? You can't drive the golf cart. Hi, Elsa. One day you're gonna get that head stuck in there. One day you are gonna get your head stuck. One day you're gonna get your head stuck. Let's feed these babies. Let's feed these babies. I know. What's up? No. Come on, I'm coming in. What is all over your nose? Come here. What is that? Dirt? Mud? You got a muddy face?